Hello! Woo! What do we got here behind box number 1? Okay, so as you can tell, I just got this box. I haven't even opened it. Heck, what's inside may not even be what I ordered, but I hope that it is. So let me get an unboxing knife and we'll crack this baby open. No peeking. Oh, looks like that's the bottom. So we'll flip it over and we'll open it on the other side. Maybe I should sharpen up this knife. Okay. Don't you love how boxes, they come with instructions? Inner flap, fold first. Alright, so before I open this flap and reveal exactly what it is, leave a comment down below and guess what I got in this box. And don't worry, I'll wait here while you write your comment. Alright, here we go. Let's open up the flap and see what we got inside. Are you guys familiar with these colors? We got the white, we got the red. So for those of you that guessed it's a OnePlus phone, kudos to you. Now the question is, which OnePlus phone did I pick up? Well, let's get out the box. So once again, people, I present to you the OnePlus 7 Pro. Yes, we are back and we are back at it. Now, there are several reasons why I picked this up, especially now. You know, we got the OnePlus 8 coming out here pretty soon, but I'll go into more detail as the video progresses. But for now, let's quickly dig into the box. Here we have our instructions, and I believe the SIM eject tool is on the back of this. Of course, in OnePlus fashion, you get a case. Here's our SIM eject tool, T-Mobile SIM card, welcome start guide, terms and conditions booklet, and some OnePlus stickers. Underneath the phone, you'll have, so we have our Warp Charge 30, and then we have our ultimately durable red and white OnePlus cable. Of course, USB-A to USB-C. All right, let me clear this up real quick. Okay. Oh, man. All right, so here we go.
Man, I'm glad to have this phone back.
I'll explain what happened, but I'm glad this phone back. All right, so here we have the OnePlus 7 Pro, people. Ooh. Here we go. OnePlus 7 Pro. Be repping that nebula blue.
Watch it shimmer and shine. And shift colors. Oh yeah.
So in typical OnePlus fashion, here's the case. You know, the case that I previously purchased, I don't know where it's at, so I ended up buying another one. But thanks to OnePlus for sending the case with the phone. So let's boot her up for the first time. Oh, OnePlus, how I missed you. So let me set it up real quick and I'll be right back with you. Now I know what you're probably saying. Hey, Handsome Gadgets, I thought you already had this phone. What's going on? So let me explain. So previously I was on a different plan. I was actually on T-Mobile's Jump on Demand plan. So that's how I was able to get phones regularly, like every 30 days or so. And that worked perfectly. That worked great for the channel. The problem is I never owned the phone outright. I was always continually paying for the phone. It was a leased phone. And so, you know, it's just one of those things. I just decided, you know what? I'm going to start fresh. I'm going to start new. I'm going to look at different alternatives, different companies, different cell phone companies. And I ended up going with Mint Mobile, which I actually love. If you guys haven't heard of Mint Mobile, I'll leave a link in the description below. But actually, Ryan Reynolds, yes, the actor Ryan Reynolds, he purchased the company. So, you know, they're often doing big things. And the way Mint Mobile works is kind of like with Costco. When you buy in bulk, you get a better deal. And then a plus to that is they actually use T-Mobile's network. So the same exact service, the same exact speed that I loved from T-Mobile, I'm getting the same thing on Mint Mobile. So that's kind of in a nutshell as to why I haven't really been featuring any new phones on the channel. I've been rocking my Pixel 3a XL, and I've been loving it, especially for the price. The speed, you know, over time there has been some lag, and I haven't really enjoyed that. But for a budget phone, especially the camera, I mean, the Pixel phones are known for the cameras, and the Google Pixel 3a XL is no joke whatsoever. But I was eagle eyeing the OnePlus McLaren 5G version, and I was eyeing it so bad. I wanted it so bad. So this past Sunday, I went on T-Mobile's website. I knew what they had to offer, and I knew, it's like, well, let me talk to them. Let me see if maybe I can get a good deal on a mobile plan. Maybe they're offering $15 a month mobile plans. Maybe they got a good deal where I can get, you know, I can make payments on a phone at 0% interest, and, you know, have basic cheap service. I don't know. So I said, you know, I'll call them and find out. So I asked them about their $15 a month plan, hoping that I was able to jump on. Unfortunately, that's prepaid, so it wouldn't work exactly what I was trying to do. However, they do have a $20 a month plan that has a limited talk and text, no data though, and whenever you have an active line, you can get a phone that you pay monthly on, and that's what I was planning on doing on the OnePlus McLaren version. So we broke it all down, exactly how much I would pay per month, and I thought to myself, the OnePlus 5G McLaren version is $900. It's a heck of a steal. It's a great phone. It's an excellent looking phone. It's amazing, right? But I was like, dang, you know, I really did enjoy the OnePlus 7 Pro. I really enjoyed this phone, and it's no slouch. It's no slouch. We got the pop-up camera, we got the 90 Hz display screen, we got the 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of onboard storage. This thing's a beast, you know what I mean? And so I was like, so I can get this for $450, half the price of the McLaren. Yeah, it's not 5G compatible, but then again, you know, 5G is kind of one of those things that I don't know if I want a 5G phone close to my head. There's a lot of talks that it can really do some damage. I don't know that. I don't know that for sure, but there's a lot of talks that it really could. And I'd rather keep that away from my head, you know what I mean? So needless to say, I said, you know what? After breaking down the monthly payments on the McLaren version compared to this, I was like, you know what? Give me the OnePlus 7 Pro. I was hoping to pick it up, but you know, with the quarantine that's going on right now, you know, it's just one of those things that, you know, I had to get it mailed. I couldn't go pick it up at the store. Ordered it on Sunday. Wednesday came, April 1st. Like I said, this is no joke. This came in the mail. Even just breezing through the setup, I am like, well, dear Lord, this is such an amazing phone, and I am going to enjoy every minute of it. It's one of those phones that really brings me to smile. And I said it back then when I first unboxed it and I first tested it out, and I'm smiling right now. And another reason why I picked this up is because we're all supposed to be getting $1,200 from Uncle Sam anyways. So I may keep the plan for a couple months, I don't know. I may cancel it and just pay the phone off outright, because what happens is you can buy this phone. You could buy this phone from T-Mobile. You could buy the OnePlus 5G McLaren. You could buy any phone from T-Mobile. The problem is there's two prices. There's a price if you do have an account, and there's a price if you don't have an account. And I wanted to make sure that I'm getting the best deal possible. Another thing I missed being with T-Mobile is actually T-Mobile Tuesdays. They give away a lot of cool stuff. Some of it's kind of trash, but especially once a year when baseball season is around the corner, they give away a year subscription to MLB.TV. I live for that. Unfortunately, due to the circumstances that are happening right now, baseball has been put on hold, so they haven't done that yet. But I'm hoping maybe in the next month or so, they'll do that and I'll jump right on. So enough blibber blabber about my phone and this and that and yada yada yada. I'm gonna set this up fully and enjoy the experience. But of course, if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to talk about, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the OnePlus 7 Pro, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in a loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.